Alright guys, so today we're doing the DJI mini mic. It's a set of two and it's about $250. And let's dig in, let's see what we got. So we got some features here. Small, ultra-light, discreet. It's a high quality audio with stable transmission. 48-hour operating with the case. And yeah, let's see what's inside. So let's unbox this. Alright, let's open it up. So it comes in a nice little pouch. What else is in here? Got some nice information. Don't need that. Alright, let's see. Pretty nice opaque bag. Let's open this up. Okay, so we got a nice case over here. Very nice. It's like almost like a mesh felt. Let's see what's in here. So it comes with these little furry things for the mic, for wind noise. What else is in here? Got this transmission cable. Gotta make sure we get this silica gel. Alright, so now let's take a look at what we actually have here. Alright guys, so this is the case. It says press to unlock. And you can see it's very nice material, DJI. Let's take this peel off. Alright, now let's open it. Okay, so as you can see, it lit up green already. So you can use this on both Android, iPhone, and your camera. So let's see what we got here. So this is the receiver. So this will connect to your camera or wherever. We got this extension tool right here. Oh, it's pretty stuck in there. All right. So this USB-C. And then we have the two mini mics. So let's take a look at those. Pretty sleek design, very small, smaller than the other one. And we will test the audio, and we'll put that in the video as well, testing it. So on the right side here, you have on the left side, sorry, it's a power button. And that's about it. You have here is the charging pins and a little clip. So you get two of those. And I'm assuming this here is just a little plastic piece. I guess the cover, if you have the other connection, maybe for iPhone. Alright. And that's about it. This is your charging indicator right here. So it's pretty low. So we'll charge them up and then we'll get them connected. And we will see how the audio is. Actually, let me show you this as well. So this is the receiver. So you have this right here. It's like a little dial. We'll dig into that. And then on the bottom side, a little charger, I guess, right there. And I don't know what this is, but oh, I guess you can connect that to your camera as well. And it also has a little clip and a power button. Nice. Open this. Hey guys, so this is the audio now with the mics. I connected one of them and it's currently sitting just about on my chest. And yeah, let's go through let's take a look over here. So this button is just for the pairing mode. You can press it and it'll connect it. So since we don't need that, we'll put it back. And this one, you'll put it at the bottom of the receiver. So it just connects right there. And you can use that on your phone. So yeah, overall, I think the package is very good. Hopefully the audio is good. And I like what it comes with. This USB-C cable for charging. Comes with a nice case right here. And overall, I think this is going to be a good product for $250. So definitely stay tuned.